The Fern Spring 2024 perfume has finally arrived, and I am so excited to unbox this baby. Now, I've been obsessed with perfume. When I say it, I've been obsessed, I've been crazy. I have over 10 different scents in my closet at the moment. And when I came across a Fern ad, I was like, I gotta have this one because it's exclusive and has all organic ingredients and is never ever made ever again. So upon opening, there is some art and there is a testing kit. In the kit, there is a sample of the perfume, a diffusion stone, and a mouillette. Fern recommends that you test the scent on the mouillette and then spray it on the terracotta stone and let the scent diffuse a bit. And included is also rhubarb seeds. In previous packages, I believe Fern included tea bags, but in this one it's rhubarb seeds, which I find to be very, very fun. And I'm going to put these seeds into use to see if I can get any rhubarb from them. So while spraying the mouillette, I also tested the scent on my wrists and my neck. And I find this scent to be very, very unique. It is bright. And it says that rhubarb isn't an ingredient in the list, but I think their inspiration is rhubarb because rhubarb doesn't have oils that they can extract. So they used ingredients like grapefruit rind, bergamot, basil, neroli, jasmine flower. And I think it mimics it very well. This scent is so nice. It's sophisticated, it's bright, it's citrusy, it's spring. The art and the information is all kind of put into one. They include a list of all the ingredients in this formula. That includes the top notes, mid notes, and base notes. Extra information about the diffusion stone and how to use it is also included. And what's really cool is the schedule and when Fern expects to release their future perfumes. There's extra information about sustainability and everything else that Fern is about as a company. See that you can break the seal and open the box. I tried to open it with my nails. I guess that didn't work. But nothing that my box cutter cannot handle. I use this thing for everything. And it opened and sliced the packaging perfectly. It's a bit cumbersome to open this bottle, but once you open the lid, you come upon a 1 ounce bottle of the perfume, perfectly wrapped. Kind of like a toilet paper roll. But given that they're shipping this out from England, yeah, this thing better be well cushioned. It's a beautiful bottle. It's like bright yellow orange. And on the label it says it shows the time that it was made, barreled, and all that. The size. I think it's a good size. So there it is, the unboxing of Fern's Spring 2024 perfume. This is going to be a great addition to my collection. And it's, again, very unique scent. I think that it's very well thought out and it makes the purchase feel very special. Looking forward to receive the package. I was anxious, thinking I may or may not like the scent from other reviews that I've seen and heard. But turns out I really like this scent. Well done, Fern. It's bright, this is spring. When you think of spring, this is what you would smell. It's citrusy. They have mid notes of, it's floral, and it's also woody, but they're all well balanced. The base notes include red cedar and vetiver root, which gives it a very earthy smell. It smells really nice. I don't know how else to express how this scent makes me feel. It's balanced and bright in spring,